Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Ocean Wave Scoop Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm starting with Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that we're going to be using today are from Orly. This teal is Close Call. The blue, which I'll also be using as my base color, is Lost Treasure. And the purple is Opposites Attract. Got a lid that I'll be using to put out the polish, and I'm going to be using a scoop marble technique once again, although the pattern that results is a little bit different when you're using shimmers compared to when you're using creams. Once I've done all my nails, I'm going to move into some cleanup. As usual, I'm using a small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out, although they're not quite what I expected from the testing. We did quite a bit of testing, and these particular polishes turned out almost like fluid art on a flat surface, but unfortunately my nails are just a little bit too curved to do it right on the nail, and I may revisit them as decals in the future. If you'd like to see that experiment as well as the other combinations that we tested, you can check out the extended tutorial over on my VOD channel, Or if you'd like to hang out live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.